Welcome to the presentation of the project OpenModal. It is a project that actually started out of frustration. We researchers, we are always looking for great ideas. That is our job. We study other people's research. We do look for state-of-the-art and try always to find a good idea that is worth publishing. And that requires usually a lot of coding. And at the end, when you're happy with your research, what you do, you write a paper. Then, this paper, the final stage of your idea is actually the industrial implementation. But let me give you a few more details about from idea to implementation. Usually from the idea to paper, it is done at the universities, but the final implementation is usually in industry. And if you do open science, then your ideas are clearly exposed because you publish your code. Your paper is for sure public. It can be open access or not, but it is public. But your ideas are implemented usually by someone else who needs to see your idea, and it is implemented in commercial, closed software and closed hardware. So what is the problem? What is the frustration is that if you have great ideas, you can do all the work up to here, but someone else needs to see your idea and implement it. And that needs time. And besides that, when you leave a research institution and you have great ideas, you actually do not have an easy way to implement your ideas. Imagine this framework. You have your idea. You do open science. You publish the ideas. But you have an open software and open hardware framework where you would be able to directly implement your ideas into this framework. If you would have available that framework today, what you could expect? Because you would have a faster way to direct implementation, and the code and everything is public, you could expect that you would have greater scientific impact, and you actually have the possibility to have industrial implementation. And OpenModal is about creating such a framework. So let me give you a few more technical details. What we will show you later is built on top of open source Python scientific ecosystem. What we are doing, we are right now developing on GitHub, which is a common framework for open source projects. For now, we have a closed community, but we are about to go open in 2016. It is developed by researchers from industries and universities. Our goal is to have a simple and intuitive application, and that means both for usage and also for development. So I will now sum up some of the capabilities. We have a complete support for universal file format with regards to geometry, measurement, and identification parameters. As you saw before, the geometry is supported from nodes, lines, triangles. So what we have is we have experimental model analysis and operational model analysis, both impact and broadband excitation. And before that, I had here data acquisition. Data acquisition, currently we do support the National Instruments hardware, but more are about to come. It depends also from the interest that is from the users. And yes, for sure, we have animations support. And if you would like your ideas to have a fast track towards implementation, and you like what you have heard, we invite you to contact us and join the development or support us in any other way. Thank you very much.